Yo, YouTube, what's good? Y'all see what I'm in here doing? Actually taking the time out to draw this pattern out right here, which I need to go lay this thing right here across the car, but I'm gonna draw the pattern out, and after I trace the pattern out, I'm gonna just leave the cardboard attached to it. And I got a feeling back here I'm gonna need to trim some, because that's my rear, a little close to that back window. So yeah, we might be just taking another like an inch or so off that back right there, and actually lifting that glue up so we can slide the metal, you know what I'm saying, in between each other. But the fronts are already up, as you can see, so I can slide metal in the metal. The sides are already up. And the reason I'm doing that is because right there you can see where I cut too short. But yeah, we definitely gonna make this thing here work. Definitely gonna make it work, as you can see. Right there. We're real close right there. And on the other side, so we're gonna check the other side out, see how close we is. So we're pretty close on the other side too, but I kind of know where I want to make my cut line. I want to make my cut line right here. If I don't make my cut line right there, then I make my cut line to line up with these bolt holes. But that's not me cutting the metal now, that's me cutting the top out the car, because now my metal up under here will have something to rest on. And I know all of these bolt holes are actually covered. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my template, and then we're gonna keep it moving from here, man. See how much we can get done on this thing today. As you know, when you're cutting out a top this big right here, you ain't got no time to play. If it start raining, done deal. So let me get to it. All right, YouTube, you can see where I went around and traced my pattern. Got the front bottom mark, so I know to flip it over. Back to the marker, went all around the edges, so I'm gonna leave this thing right there until I take the razor blade and cut it. Cut it all out. So we're gonna get the cut. Stay tuned. Your boy Rich Everything. Y'all see what's going on? In here scraping the roof. Scraping the roof. Getting the roof down. Hey, I got the goat working with me today, man. I got the goat working with me. Where you at? Where the goat at? Where the goat at? Where the goat at? There go the goat. Yeah. The goat say, if you gonna put George Jefferson in, I need to be there helping you. I said, all right then, no problem. I'm gonna come through and I'm gonna slide through there and pick you up then. The goat say, I'll be waiting. No, before I could have got down there good, the goat called me back. I tell him, man, I'm about to pull up on you right now, cuz. I tell him I'm about to pull up on you right now. So y'all see your boy getting this stuff off the ceiling right here, so we don't catch no fires while we cutting this top. So I'm gonna get to work, because I got two more layers to do. The goat back there, y'all can see what he back there doing, grinding that top down, getting that thing nice and easy. Oh yeah, George Jefferson about to go in that thing, man. Don't y'all play with it. Stay tuned, man. Yeah. Y'all see I got the goat edging that thing out, man. He always come through when I call him. If y'all want a nasty paint job or anything nasty, this is who y'all need to talk to, man. I know that man works, so you know what I'm saying? I make sure he's straight. Me and this man been down boys for a long time. Y'all see him, man. He getting that thing down to the metal. He got a better cut than I had on it, too. Look at that, man. Woo. Y'all can't do it like he do it. Y'all stay tuned, though, man. Yeah, we ain't said no extent. You got that body filler. You got that Bondo glass. I ain't know what we had in these, so I just grabbed some of anything. And my boy told me, say, I grabbed too much shit. Ain't that what you tell me?
Yeah, a little bit too much.
The goat tell me, say, I grabbed too much, man. But I like to make my boy comfortable when he working. So if I got it, then we ain't got to go back and forth. We can sit out here like right now. We out here low key, breeze blowing right now. You know what I'm saying? Y'all
chilling, damn working though.
Man, yeah, no rush, no nothing. You know what I'm saying? No pressure, man. But yeah, no expense, cuz we got the chip brushing. He said we ain't even gonna need that. So we might make some speaker parts out of that right there later on or something. You know what I'm saying? We done spent the money, so I mean it is what it is. But yeah, man, we grinding.
Oh yeah.
My boy getting to it. Y'all see how that thing look? He done got to bust down to the metal now. Gatorade sitting there. You need some more ice or something, man, let me know.
Word.
You know what I'm saying? So, look here, man, we about to get back to work, man. And we about to George Jefferson this thing right here. Mm-hmm. So y'all stay tuned, man. Alright, y'all see what my homie doing, man. He marking out that cut line. Real body guy right here. Like I told y'all, when I had to call in backup, I had to call in somebody I know who gonna be able to lay that thing down. So, a little relief, sun going down now, so
damn right.
We can kind of work. We done took a little break. Cut line done. We got a couple clamps. More Gatorade, which I'm about to dive into. Seats out the car, front and back. Everything all over the place, but who cares?
It's getting ready to be damn coming back together, though.
Y'all stay tuned, man. Hey, I got my boy standing up in the middle of the car.
This right.
Yeah, day 2.
Yeah.
We out here. I got the goat back over here.
Got to get him. You gotta make it become one now. It's gotta be one piece. I need to take all this shit back, please. Alright, the C-clamp.
Alright,
Some
day
more
two.
that you want to watch.
Day 2, we out here.
Yeah.
You see it? The goat putting them pilot holes in there. Tell them what you about to do with them holes, man.
I want to pull them. I'm actually gonna tie this piece of metal that we cut out to put the window in or the damn top in.
Yeah.
It's gonna tie the structure to the actual top of the car and make it solid as hell.
Y'all see it?
Because we don't need no wobbly floppy shit.
Ooh. Look at that.
We gotta have it on point. Turn that speed up just a hair. Yeah, that just changed everything totally right there. Damn, that damn fucking startled the shit out of me. I don't know what the hell, why this is giving me a hard time and not wanting to weld real good, you know.
So far, so good. You see where we at. We're getting that thing done. We got that side over there. You can see that right there already done, you know what I'm saying, butt welded a little bit. So we're gonna get that body jack on this side over here. And we're gonna fasten this side right here up, corner to corner. And you know what I'm saying, make this thing lay out right. And we'll be straight. Yeah. Yeah, you off. You gotta just pull them out.
That's right.
Y'all see it? We're using the body jack to get this thing up in there.
Go ahead, jack it one. Jack it. One more time. Up, right there.
Good. Good right now?
Yeah.
Alright. Y'all see what's going on? We done got that thing in all the way around, man.
Damn,
Almost all the way around anyway.
About got it.
But about to hit this back. And really all we got is that little corner and stuff. Everything else already just butted up. But the goat doing their job. We double teaming this thing.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Grind, check the grind.
Yeah.
The goat doing this thing. We double teaming this thing. I just cleaned up these welds, so he back on this welding. Y'all see how the progress going, man. But before the sun go down, we're gonna button that thing up in there for y'all, man. Stay tuned.